Do you want to learn new Korean words or phrases? Then you'll need to know how to ask, how do you say in Korean? You can ask this question by saying 어떻게 말해요? This question will come in handy when you are learning new words and phrases straight from native speakers. Let's imagine you're enjoying some mandu at a cozy spot tucked away in the streets of Seoul. You're impressed by the chef's skill and want to compliment the taste in Korean. So you turn to the person beside you and ask delicious를 한국어로 어떻게 말해요? This means, how do you say delicious in Korean? Let's try another one. This time, we'll ask about a phrase. You want to know how to say I'm sorry in Korean. You can say I'm sorry를 한국어로 어떻게 말해요? This means, how do you say I'm sorry in Korean? The pattern to use for this question is 을/를 한국어로 어떻게 말해요? Use this when asking how to say something in Korean. Now it's your turn. Translate this into Korean. How do you say beautiful in Korean? 댓글로 만나요. See you in the comments!